What if I told you that the wire art video you're watching right now was created in less than 5 minutes, completely with AI? And here's the crazy part. The entire video is only 20 seconds long, which honestly makes the whole thing even more impressive. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like this from start to finish using AI. But let me warn you right now, if you miss even one part of this tutorial, you might completely mess up the workflow, so don't skip around. Trust me, you don't want to be that person who watches 30 seconds and then wonders why the result looks like it was made in Microsoft Paint. Alright, let's get into it. First, I've created a master prompt specifically for you guys, and believe it or not, this thing is insanely powerful. You'll find the link in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt carefully and open Claude AI. Now, you can absolutely use ChatGPT or basically any other chatbot you like, but for this tutorial, I'm using Claude. Once you're inside Claude, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. And once you send it, Claude AI will give you 10 different video ideas to choose from. You can choose literally whatever idea you like, and if you already have a reference image or a specific design in mind, you can even upload that as well. But for now, I'm not completely satisfied with the ideas Claude gave me, so I'm going to ask it for more. I simply type more into the prompt box and hit send. And as you can see, Claude instantly gives us another 10 fresh ideas. And honestly, I still don't find the perfect one. So naturally, what do? We ask for more. I simply type more again and hit send. And just like that, Claude gives us another batch of even more interesting and incredible ideas. This is basically the AI equivalent of saying, nope, try again. All right, I really like the number 10 idea, so I simply type 10 into the prompt box and hit send. Then Claude asks me for a reference image or a design of the image. Since I don't have any specific design or reference image, I simply type no and hit send. And just like that, Claude generates one image prompt and 2 video prompts for us. Now, you might be wondering why we need one image prompt and 2 video prompts. Just keep watching, because this is where the actual magic happens. Claude also gives us a negative prompt, and you have to use this negative prompt for all 3 prompts, so don't forget it. Alright, first, copy the image prompt and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside Flow, select the image generation mode, choose your desired aspect ratio, and select the number of outputs. Now, select the Nano Banana Pro image model. Once everything is set, paste your image prompt into the prompt box and make sure you also paste the negative prompt along with it. Then simply hit generate. Now wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our image is generated. And honestly, this already looks insane considering we started with basically nothing. Now go back to Claude AI and copy the first video prompt. Then return to Google Flow and select the image you want to animate. Next, select the Omni Flash video model and choose the 10-second duration. Now paste your first video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Give it a little time, and in roughly a minute, your very first video is generated. Now take a look. Pretty crazy, right? But pay close attention here, because this next step is very important. Select the last frame of your first video and save it as an image, just like this. This last frame trick is what helps us maintain continuity between the 2 video generations, instead of making the second clip look like it suddenly came from a completely different universe. Now go back to Claude AI and copy the second video prompt. Then return to Google Flow and select the last frame image we just saved. Animate that last frame image. Paste the second video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. And again, make sure you also paste the negative prompt while generating the video. Don't skip this part. Once the second video is generated, take a look. And there we go. Our video is now complete. We started with an idea, generated the image, created the first 10-second animation, grabbed its final frame, used that frame to create the second animation, and now we have a complete 20-second AI-generated video. Once you've generated both videos, simply download them in the highest resolution available and merge them together using any editing software you like. And that's it. Your video is ready to go. No complicated animation software, no expensive equipment, no giant production team sitting in a studio somewhere. Just a few AI tools, the right prompts, and the correct workflow. So that's the entire workflow. If you learned something useful from this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel, AI Xcentra, so you never miss the next AI viral niche before it gets completely saturated. Because by the time everyone starts making these videos, you'll want to already be ahead of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.